We have to post to the ledger, and from the ledger we can make a trial balance, right? So here I just put up an example of a trial balance, and I want to point out some of the real, these numbers, like this comes from nowhere, don't worry, this doesn't relate to anything, I just found a trial balance and I put it up, okay? So what's really important about a trial balance? That it balances, right? It's right there in the name. Like I told you, accounting is not trying to trick you, right? If you're going like, trial balance, it must mean there's something, no, it's like just real, it's that simple, right? A trial balance has to balance, the debits have to equal the credits. So there's a couple of things I want to point out on this particular trial balance, which will not hold true for where we're at in the accounting cycle. Actually, I'm going to ask you, is there something that somebody notices that's missing from this trial balance? Not, all right, dollar signs, okay, but that wasn't what I was looking for, but okay, yes. Supplies. What is it? Supplies. Well, this is not an example from the one we just did. Revenue. Yes, revenue. I would say deferred stock. Yeah, I'm talking about revenue and expenses. That's what's missing here. What those temporary accounts are missing. What does that mean? It's not that you have no income. Somebody, I think, said it. It's what? It's a final trial balance. We haven't gotten there yet in the accounting cycle, but you did this in your financial accounting class, or at least I hope you did this, right? When you have a post-closing trial balance or a final trial balance, you've closed out your temporary accounts, and it's all sitting here in retained earnings. Okay, so your trial balance is still balances because all of the every revenue account and expense account every number is there, it's just in here. So this is a post-closing trial balance, and that's how you know because there's no revenue and expense accounts here. But where we're at right now, I just wanted to show you a trial balance. I happen to have chosen a post-closing trial balance or a final trial balance to show you. But what I'd like you to do now is make a trial balance of the journal entry from the journal entries that you just made. So you made general journal entries, you can post them to the ledger in your T accounts, and then I want you to make a trial balance from those journal entries. Right, but it's not a post-closing trial balance. It should include revenues and expenses. So it is not going to look just like this. It will have revenues and expenses in your trial balance, incorporated to your trial balance, okay? So again, so now we made our general journal entries, we posted them to our ledger, and then we made a trial balance because I thought that